everyone, welcome back to our French grammar series. Today we unlock a super useful rule that will make your negative sentences sound completely natural in French. By the end of this lesson, you will confidently say what you cannot do using the verb pouvoir plus an infinitive.
When you want to say you cannot do something in French, you use the verb pouvoir followed by another verb in the infinitive form. To make this negative, you place ne before pouvoir and pas immediately after it. The infinitive verb always stays after the pas and never changes. This is different from English, so the placement feels unusual at first, but becomes natural with practice.
Let's look at the classic example together. The sentence is, Je ne peux pas utiliser mon téléphone. I can't use my phone. Je ne peux pas utiliser mon téléphone. In this sentence, ne goes before peut and pas goes right after it. The infinitive utiliser follows the pas and keeps its original form.
Here is another everyday example you can use right away. Tu ne peux pas venir ce soir means you cannot come tonight. Tu ne peux pas venir ce soir. Notice how ne peut pas wraps around the conjugated pouvoir again.
One more useful sentence for travel situations. Il ne peut pas parler français couramment means he cannot speak French fluently. Il ne peut pas parler français couramment. A common mistake is putting pas after the infinitive, but that is incorrect in French. Always remember ne before and pas after the pouvoir verb.
Now you know exactly how to negate pouvoir plus an infinitive in any conversation. Thank you for learning with me today. Try creating your own sentence using this rule in the comments. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell for more French lessons.